It's been a very, very hot summer day. I worked in the garden earlier, and I'm so glad there's a little bit of breeze coming through the window. So I sit in my sewing machine. I love sewing. There's many a thing a person can do in life. And this is one of the things that I like doing. I just do it with my clothes right now. I don't accept work. My sewing machine is not that good, for delicate fabrics. Or for example, if I do couture, I need a better sewing machine for altering garments that not off the rack, like especially made. Yeah, it pays well, but I don't want to do that. I'm just happy doing what I do. Just use this as a pastime, working on my own clothes that I buy from Ukay Ukay. It's true, I go to Ukay Ukay. Especially when I'm in the Philippines, I go with my niece or my niece come with me. I just like the feel of the fabric, and I just like looking at the design and trade style and colors and design. There's so much to see when I go to Ukay Ukay. It's very, very tempting to buy a lot. Then we don't really use it. Yeah, I still have a cold and a cough. I will not accept any job offer either. Go far away. I don't want to get worse. Like I said, my dentist is also sick. I have the dental oral care treatment lined up for 2026. But unfortunately, my dentist is not well. I just have to wait till he is available because I'm not going to go anywhere, any dentist. I'm a faithful patient. I respect the work that my medical provider gave me. They were good to me. And it's important to also keep my medical record in the same place. And I hope you also do. Because if anything in emergency when I am overseas, they can just pull my file from Medicare. And if it happens in overseas, it's easily get forwarded. Being an Australian is better than other life I could have had. I've been here many, many long years, more than 40 years. So I have medical records, health records that's already on file with Medicare, that if ever there is anything that's going to happen to me overseas, my doctor, wherever I am, can just request my file. Nothing to worry. Really, self-care matters. Put everything together in one place so that it's easy to retrieve. Alright, I'll finish my sewing. And it's important to have little income coming in if you can sew. If you can do hair, if you can do nails, that is a business in itself that a person can keep. Alright, you have a great day. Take good care. I wish you very, very well.